So I just want to show you guys my pretty little things pajama set. And I know my lights are super bright right now. Those are my little night lights here, and they end up coming off automatically on their own. I just never like manually take them off. But these are my little PJs. I got them from Pretty Little Things. It's just like these black pants with these Jessica Simpson house shoes, and then I got my Pretty Little Things shirt to match. And yeah, so I keep my clothes out the night before. So just have them on my door, my lab coat, and my scrubs, and my shoes, and my Apple Watch. Here go my socks and ID. Here's my uniform. I'm just gonna put that on, and when I wake up, I try to make sure that my room is clean. So this is just an overview of my room. Pretty clean, 'cause I try. I packed my clinical bag the night before, and these are my Skechers. I got these from Skechers. I already brushed my teeth, but I'm going to have to rebrush my teeth because I'm about to go eat breakfast. And I still have to flat iron my hair, but I'm about to go fix me some breakfast. And then we're going to, I got my toothbrush and stuff now. I have an extra toothbrush downstairs, and I have mouthwash downstairs, so I don't have to run back upstairs. So I just have my bag with me, so I'm gonna bring that downstairs with me, my phone. Okay, oh, so my phone is in my lap jacket right now, but other than that, I think we're good for everything upstairs, and we can head downstairs. Okay, you guys, so this is my breakfast. I'm about to try to eat it in 5 minutes. I gotta rush and try to eat it in 5 minutes because it's 6:15 and I need to be gone by 6:40 in order to get to my clinical on time. So yeah, here's my coffee. I'm not gonna drink all of it because I end up drinking some more at work, well, at clinical, and then I got some lemon water. And yeah, French toast with strawberries, a little syrup, and my bag is there away. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail now. Yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. We are scheduled to have, I think she sent the email last night saying we're scheduled for 9 deliveries today, and we have 1 cesarean delivery, so a C-section. So I'm super excited about that. Why this part never gets tight? Yeah, so I see one of my classmates that I study with, so I'm probably about to catch up with her and walk with her there. It's supposed to be cold all week. I need to get my stethoscope on. We have to do temperature checks at the front, so I might record that. A little scanner, so yeah. Now I just have my chapstick I got from Ipsy. This is not even my favorite chapstick. I just couldn't find my favorite chapstick. But yeah, where's my stethoscope? I'm gonna get my lab. I should have did this at home. Yeah, I should have did this at home, but I try to do it when I pull up at the hospital. Gonna put my stethoscope on. Then I have my pen light. So let's get ready to head out. Okay, you guys, so we're walking to our building. So I'm about to get ready to put my face mask on. Are you camera shy? Okay, this is Rika, you guys. All right. Okay, hey y'all, so today has been a day. Let me just start there. So I'm gonna say more in the car when I get in the car, but I saw 2 deliveries today. The first delivery was a C-section, and yeah, she got a C-section, and she also got her tubes tied, her fallopian tubes. And I've never seen fallopian tubes in person, and today I did not realize how small they were compared to the uterus. Like, our uterus is humongous. And also I got to see a placenta, which is so big. It's like this flat disc, and it's just so big and flat, y'all. It's crazy. And then my actual patient, she had a vaginal delivery today, so she just had her baby, and that was just It was so fast paced and amazing. But yeah, OB Clinicals is going great. Today has been a great day. I have this bunny on because we have to wear it. But I'm about to go back in there because we have to give our patients, well, I have to give my patient her vitamin K shot and some other medications my nurse told me. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys more about it when I get in the car. But just know today was probably my favorite day because I got to see so much, I got to do a lot, and I'm just overall happy. So okay, y'all, so I just gave the baby it's a girl, so I just gave the baby girl her vitamin K shot, and I gave her erythromycin, which is just an ointment for her eye to like prevent any like eye infection. So yeah, a good day, y'all, a good day. It's a great day. My instructor is absolutely amazing, you guys. The way she explains things, I'm whispering because it's like people outside the door. I feel like I've said that before in this vlog, but yeah, I have an hour left before my clinical ends, and I'm kind of ready. This water, I'm kind of ready to go because I'm tired and I'm hungry. Then I have my first OB exam Wednesday, so in 2 days, because today is Monday. So yeah, I'm starving. Hey y'all, I'm vlogging on my phone, but I'm at campus right now. I moved to a different room. It is currently like 5 something, and I'm taking a break. I went and got me some Broadway pizza. This is my first time eating there. I got a barbecue chicken pizza, some garlic knots and mayonnaise sauce, and a water. I'm not gonna eat it all, but I end up getting it, and the garlic knots are a little greasy. I'm vlogging on my phone too. Like the garlic knots are very greasy, but they're good. So I'm nervous for my exam tomorrow, but at the same time, it's like I feel like I know the material. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow to tell you how the exam went. Okay, y'all, so this is the day after my exam. I ended up making an 82 on my OB exam. I thought I did better than that, but it's okay. I'm about to go to dinner, and also I got some news, you guys. I got my internship. Well, I didn't even tell you guys about it, but I applied for internship and I got it, and I'm gonna talk more about it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm about to go eat, and I'm gonna show you guys what I ate. I'm gonna talk about more about my internship and stuff like that later, but yeah, time to celebrate. Hey y'all, it's dark in here, but here's my drink. It's almost gone, and I'm a little tired. I have to study when I get home. So yeah, I love this restaurant we're in. I got a lot of food, so I'm gonna show you guys all the food that I got. So. Hey y'all, so today is actually a different day. It's raining outside, and I'm on the way to clinical. This is my geriatrics clinical, and we're administering vaccines to patients like of all ages, not just the older population. So yeah, y'all, I'm running late. My clinical starts in 15 minutes. I haven't ate breakfast. I didn't even put on makeup. Like, I have mascara and lip gloss in my bag, which nobody's gonna see that I'm wearing product on my lips, but I wanted some lashes on, like my lashes to look a little longer. And then yeah, I didn't even vlog yesterday because I got my brows threaded and I got my nails done. It's like pretty white color. I didn't even vlog yesterday. Like, and I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where the heck I'm going, y'all. Yeah, y'all, I hope you can see me because I tried to cut my light back on. But yeah, so I'm running late to clinical. I'm about to go get me some breakfast because I'm hungry and I cannot be doing a clinical for 8 to 9 hours without any food in my stomach. But it's raining, but look at my rain jacket. It just has my initials on it. I got it from like a shop on Etsy like 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm excited today. I haven't administered any like vaccines yet, so we're about to administer COVID vaccines. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. I'm gonna ask my friend, because she know I do YouTube videos, to like record me to get a little footage. But if I can't, I'm gonna cry. No, I'm not gonna cry, but if I can, I'm gonna be kind of sad, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm about to go eat breakfast, rush and put mascara on, as you about to see, and hopefully I have a good day today. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So y'all know I was rushing to get here. Like, I'm losing sleep because I'm thinking we're supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. My friend said we're supposed to be here at 7:30, and I'm wondering why the parking lot is empty. And it's 6:50. Who am I? Like, it's okay. I'm going to sleep when I go home, but I'm going to put on some lip gloss, even though you're not going to be able to see it. I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. And here's my face mask, this N95 mask. I can't even talk now because people are right here.
So I'm just gonna be putting on my Rihanna Fenty Beauty Fussy lip gloss, and I have like 4 of these. I have the chocolate one, I have Fussy, the pink one, I have like the peachy one, and I have like a clear one. And I want to try her cream one out, but I don't know, because these don't stay on my lips at all. Not because of the mask, like they don't stay on at all anyway. So some people are pulling up right now, but I don't know them. But yeah, it's raining. I'm going to sleep when I go home. And also I went to Sephora yesterday and bought the NARS Creamy Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's $50. It's so much money. And I used a Fenty Beauty foundation, so I was like, I'm being cheap, but hopefully it's good. I've heard great reviews about it. I need to put my hair in a ponytail. Hey girl.
Hi girl.
Y'all, so we're doing vaccines today.
Yes. So nervous. Not really.
Right. Okay, y'all, so I just left clinical, and I told you guys I was administering COVID vaccines. I really couldn't film anything because it's still so busy. Like, we left at 1 and it's currently 1:31, and it was just busy, so I didn't have time to like up and film. But I did take a selfie with my classmates, so I'll upload the selfie like somewhere here. And look what we got, y'all. Look at the shirts we got. It says UT Health Science Center COVID vaccine team, COVID-19 vaccine team. And y'all, I'm so happy. I am so happy. I had so much fun. This was my first, no it wasn't. This wasn't my first time well, this was my first time giving a vaccine, not administering medications. So I'm super, I had fun. It was a good time. But I'm about to go to Aldo's Pizza and get me some food. I'm in Dunkin' Donuts parking lot. So I just left Dunkin' Donuts and I got a caramel iced coffee. And I hate the actual like thick caramel, like the syrup, not the sauce. And then, so I got that coffee. And then I got a chocolate donut. I'm about to go get me some pizza, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys my food. My curls have failed because it was hot and my hair was up. Ooh. That's good. That's good. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my food. Okay, y'all, so I ended up going to a place called Bosco's. I've been here a couple times, but I never filmed it, so I'm going to get my food to go. I was going to go to Aldo's Pizza, which is right around the corner, but I was like, no. I want to go to Bosco's because I want a cocktail from here, so yay. So I'm in Midtown and I just got my food. I don't know if I said it already, but I ended up getting some barbecue chicken pizza from Bosco's instead of Aldo's, and it's sprinkling outside. You guys, it's this little restaurant down here, and they make romaine noodles. It's right here. They're so good, and I need to come up here and film it for you guys. I really need to be like a food blogger because I go out so much and I eat all types of food, so I don't know. But yeah, I got my food. I'm happy. My belly's happy. And I'll see you guys when I get to the house. So here's my room. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So I'm walking in my door. And here's my bed. I have a king size bed. I got it from Ashley Furniture. And this is my bed. And I got these cute little pillows on there. This basket from Crate and Barrel. Some throw pillows. And I got these lights. Why can't you see them? I feel like I've showed them at the beginning of the vlog. They're so bright you can't even see, but they're like flower lights. Let me show you guys over here. This is my accent wall. It's pink. It's been pink for like, I don't know how long now. And I have this little board I was using last semester, but I'm not using this semester anymore. But I usually write like my daily goals on here. So you see I got that from Target. And here's my little bookshelf. I think I got this from Ikea like 3 years ago. And I got my nursing stuff there. Some more nursing stuff, And then I have my makeup, some of my makeup right here. Here's my perfume, and I have a perfume collection coming for you guys, but here's a couple of my favorite perfumes right here, all my top favorites. And here I have my sunglasses, the top 3 that I wear. They're just my Ray-Bans, 2 pair in Quay, Australia. Some keys right here. This is my Louis Vuitton key pouch, but I only use it for my car keys now. I have a candle and a plant. I've been had that plant, and I got this shelf built right here. Then I have a basket that just has like a throw blanket that I use when I'm studying in my desk. If I get cold, I'll just grab it. And also it's a pillow right here to use for back support when I'm studying. And then I got this pampas grass, however you pronounce it, from Crate and Barrel with a vase from Home Good. Then I got this white rug from Ross. It was like $40. My Ikea mirror that I've been having for the longest is the Hobbit mirror. It was like $160.
And over here, you can hear my floor squeaking. I hate that, but here's my little nightstand. Here's my nightstand right here. I got it from Marshall's for $70. Then I have this candle on it. I got that from Target. I got that candle from Target. And then in here, I don't have anything, but this can charge my phone up, but I never charge my phone in my bed. And then here's my little calendar I got from Target. I'm sorry for all the smacking. And I got this cute little vase. It's so cute. Then I got this right here for water. I usually do this every other night. Not every night, but I usually put water in there because I sleep right here. Got a white trash can I've been having. Over here is where I keep my printer and my cords for like laptops and stuff like that. And I got another plant right here. And here's my little basket. This basket right here, I just keep Red Bulls and cranberry juice right there. Here's my jewelry right here. Most of my jewelry is right here. So here's my desk. I got this desk from IKEA. It's so pretty. I got that chair from IKEA with this little throw thing on it. And I just got my laptop, iPad, a cup of water I was drinking, a candle, my mirror from IKEA, a candle from Walmart, and I got this little vase with some flowers sticking out of it. And this is so cute, y'all. Hold on, let me cut the brightness down. Oh, did it cut it down? No. There you go. So y'all, this is my phone, right? It's not charging. Ooh, can you focus? Okay, y'all, so this is my phone. This is a wireless lamp, so it charges my phone. So watch this. Look, phone. Can you even see? And here got some pictures I hung up. So pretty. They're like flowers. Super, super nice. So yeah, that's pretty much an overview of my room. Super cute, super girly. I love it a lot. Super comfortable. My room is my comfort zone. So yeah, this is my room. So I'm on the way to Aldo's, and this is my outfit today. I filmed the video, I think, of me doing my perfume haul, so I got that video coming. And then also I got an internship, you guys. I just accepted an internship offer. I'm gonna talk more about that later. I'm trying to play catch up with y'all because I've been so busy. Yeah, so we're about to go to Aldo's Pizza, and we're going to the movies later as well, so I'll be filming that. So I'm about to show you guys how I'm about to eat at Aldo's. I'm downtown right now. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're here now, and I'm about to show you guys my appetizer. I got some garlic knots, so let me show y'all really quickly. So this is just my garlic knots, and it comes with marinara sauce, and yeah, this is it.